Dealing with angry customers is not fun, but it can be very well worthwhile. Yeah, it's early morning. Pardon my French. Um, this is Dana from DevDevice, and I just wanted to share an experience I had yesterday as an angry customer. I bought a water tap which broke after 3 months. It was quite an expensive one. I didn't have the receipt. I just took my chances to go back to the hardware store where I bought it, not hoping for any return, refund or replacement. I just thought I'd just let them know. So I went, I showed the guy my water tap, and he just looked at it and said, well, okay, I give you a new one. I replace your water tap without receipt, without any questions asked. And if this happens again, please come again, and then we will find you another product. I thought that was amazing. This has never happened to me before. And I thought, well, so I went out of this hardware store happy about this guy, and look at me, now I'm making a video about him, and I will spread the word to my friends, and I will keep coming back to this guy. He just got himself a raving fan, an ambassador. So we all have experienced this. If we sell online, we have customers who are not happy. And I remember, and I know what it feels like when somebody writes a 1-star review or an angry email. It's not fun. But we need to see the potential in this, because if we go all the way to make this person happy and to get them what they want, to send them a replacement, to solve their problem in some way, not only does it really feel good to make someone happy, but we also get ourselves an ambassador who will then go tell their friends, who will then write a 5-star review, and who will bring us a lot of revenue in the long run. So look at angry customers as a blessing in disguise and make them happy. That's all for now. Have a happy day. Bye-bye.